Moderna has now joined Pfizer in asking the FDA to approve a fourth shot of its COVID-19 vaccine, a sign the companies are preparing for a wave of the new variant BA2 or stealth Omicron. But as News4Jack's consumer investigator Lauren Verno explains, doctors are not as concerned about this new variant.
You might not even realize that this new variant is already here in the U.S. According to the CDC, as of last week, BA2 makes up more than 23% of all new cases in the U.S. And even though this new variant is expected to become the dominant variant, medical experts are not as concerned this time around if people are vaccinated. It's a phrase not often used when talking about COVID-19. There seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel.
We want to make sure that people have an opportunity to relax their mitigation strategies when things are good, as they are right now.
Health officials have started talking about transitioning out of the COVID-19 emergency phase, with less than 1% of people now living in areas with high community levels. But that doesn't mean COVID's just disappeared.
I would not be surprised, given the fact that we've begun to open up and we have an increase in the BA2 variant, that we'll be seeing an increase in cases.
But UF Health Jacksonville Director of Infectious Disease and Prevention Chad Nielsen says hospitals in our area are not as concerned as they were before with Delta and Omicron.
Certainly something we're watching right now, but that's why you're also hearing this news of a potential another booster shot, is to boost immunity for certain folks if we start seeing those wide-scale outbreaks here in the States.
This week, Pfizer asked the FDA to approve an additional booster shot for anyone 65 and older, while Moderna asked for the authorization for all adults 18 and older, saying in a press release the request was made to provide flexibility to the CDC and medical providers to determine appropriate use, including for those at higher risk due to age or comorbidities.
I think a healthy person who's had 3 boosters is going to need that fourth.
I do think it's going to be needed for certain populations because we know that these booster shots have been effective at keeping people from getting severe illness and hospitalized across the United States. So I think it is coming for certain populations, but to be determined whether or not we're going to see this roll out mass to everyone.
And as of right now, the Biden administration's incoming COVID czar said they're not expecting this variant to trigger another national surge, with almost half of the population vaccinated and boosted. I'm Lauren Verno, Channel 4, the local station.